traditional materials for absorbing and deflecting EMI and RFI would be copper, aluminum, and different varieties of stainless steels. Today we're going to look at a couple newer materials that are out there. Those are going to be high nickel content, high permeability materials. Specifically from the PTM division that we have, we can make these materials very, very thin to try and enable sizing of your system. So size, weight, and power optimization for protecting your systems. So these high nickel content materials, we can target different permeabilities at different frequency ranges. So that way you're really tuning in your system to the frequency that you're trying to protect against, whether that's coming in or going out from the electronic device. And there's another way we can go about this, not just the thin metals materials that we can shape and mold, but also our flexible magnetic products, our FlexMag products. We can load that product with a variety of different materials, and that is a flexible product you can use to enclose or shield or do other things with as needed for your application.